Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a project in iMovie. So if you are using iMovie to edit videos and now you have created many projects and you want to delete one of them, so in this video I will show you how to do it. So first what you have to do, just go into Launchpad and launch iMovie app. Okay, now here you will see all the created here you will see all the created projects. Okay, so I have created all these projects. Now if I want to delete one of them, so here you will see if I want to delete this one. Okay, this project, so what I have to do, here you will see when you hover your mouse cursor here, you will see these three dots. Now just click on these three dots and now here you will see delete project. Okay, now just click on this delete project. Okay, now that project has been deleted. So like this you can delete any project on iMovie. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.